Hello everyone, my name is Akerele Oluwasogo, popularly known as Mr. Excel. Today I'll be teaching you how to use Goggle Sheet, to work on your data. Like I said in my previous post that we have two types of spreadsheets. We have the Excel spreadsheet, we also have the Goggle Sheet. Though they are very similar, but Excel spreadsheet is more comprehensive or more simpler than the Goggle Sheet. So some companies work with Goggle Sheet in the office. When you're working with Goggle Sheet, you are working online. So today I'm going to show you how to split data in your Goggle Sheet. In Excel, we have two methods of splitting data in Excel. We have text to column wizard. We also have flash fill. But in Goggle Sheet, we can also split our data. So I'm going to show you how to use Goggle Sheet to split your data. So for example, we have this data where I have the staff name, the first name and the last name. They are being typed on the same column. So I want to split it to be on two different columns. First name in one column, the last name on the other column. The first thing I have to do is to select all the data at once. And how do you select? You click on your first data, you press Ctrl Shift and downward arrow. It will highlight all the data for you at once. So you go to your data tab. You can find it on the data tab. Also in Excel too, is under the data tab that you see your text to column. But in Goggle Sheet, we call it split text to column. That was being called on Goggle Sheet. So you click on it, split text to column on Goggle Sheet. You can see separator detect automatically. So you can say by default now it has separated the data into two columns. So assuming you are having three names, it will split it into three columns. So you can now rename the header of the column. So that's how to use Goggle Sheet to split data. I'm going to undo and take the step once again. For example, if you have data on the same column, maybe date or time, or two or three names in one single column, I want to split it to be on two or three different columns. The first thing you have to do is to select all the data. You click on the first data and you press Ctrl Shift and downward arrow. It will highlight all the data. After selecting all the data, you go to your data tab. On the data tab, you will see your split to column on the data tab. So click on the split to column. So automatically it will detect the delimiter that you use on the data. You can see now it has split it into two different colors for me. So that's how to use Goggle Sheet to split data. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Akerele Oluwasogo.